Hello and welcome to another video walk around with myself, Elisa, here at Toyota Northwest Edmonton, and today we'll be taking a look at this beautiful 2018 Toyota Highlander LE all-wheel drive. So this is a 4-door, 8-passenger all-wheel drive SUV, and the color is called Blizzard Pearl. Under the hood, you'll find a 3.5-liter V6 cylinder engine, and you'll be riding on top of 18-inch alloy wheels. Now, some of your awesome safety features for your family include your rear vision camera. You also have a pre-collision system with pedestrian detection, and you have that smart stop technology. But there's a lot of really great things happening on the inside as well, so why don't we hop on in and take a look around. Helping you into your Highlander is this handy dandy key with fob. So on your fob you have your lock, your unlock, and your panic button. Pushing the unlock button once will unlock the front door, and pushing it twice will unlock all four. And you can see there that you do have your side view mirror signal indicators. That's really great if you're traveling in heavy traffic or if you're traveling on the highway. They can definitely see what you're about to do. So we're going to open this up. We'll take a look at the interior features here. Lots of room to get in and out, really nice and spacious. You do have some storage here in the driver's side door along with a couple of cup holders. You have your power windows, locks, and mirrors. And then just to the left of your steering wheel is where you'll find your automatic high beams and your windshield wiper defrost button. So you do have two sets of floor mats, including your all-weather floor mats to keep your vehicle nice and clean. And you have this really comfortable plush interior, really nice to ride around in. So I'm just gonna hop on in. We'll take a look at some of the technology features. We'll start it up for you. There we go. So nice ambient lighting, really easy on the eyes. You have that nice welcome message there for you. Taking a look a little bit further back, you have all of the manual, the mounted controls that you're going to want. You have your volume control and your mode changer buttons, your music selection buttons, and those types of things. You also have your voice activate, your voice command, and your hands-free calling. Excuse me, I'm tripping over my words. You also have, this is the navigation for your central information display. So this is going to give you all of your safety settings, like your lane departure alert and your pre-collision system, any messages that your vehicle has for you, like your change oil light, and then you have all of your information like your fuel range, your eco indicator, your all-wheel drive control, and your sway warning. You can also set a rest time there for those longer trips, and it will give you a notification. So lots of great information in these buttons here. You also have your lane departure alert and your dynamic radar cruise control. That works with your cruise control just back here. And then taking a look at your entertainment system now, you do have everything that you're going to want in terms of music as well. You have your AM FM radio, you have your CD player still, you have your USB and your audio input, and you have your Bluetooth audio, and that's going to give you your hands-free calling as well. In your car app button here is where you can also find your fuel consumption and your trip information, so you can keep an eye on your driving habits, things like that. Moving a little bit further down here, you have your climate control. You do have the control to turn off and on your rear climate, and they have control over that in that second row there as well. And you do have your air conditioning for those warm summer months. So moving a little bit further down here, you do have all of your driving modes. You have your snow mode and your downhill assist. You also have your USB and your audio input, and you have two different power USB buttons there, and you have a 12-volt DC plug-in just there if you have any other devices that you would like to charge. Moving a little bit further back from there, you do have your sport mode. Super fun to drive the Highlander that way. You have a couple of cup holders there, and then right back here is a nice large center console. This removes and slides back and forth to make for easy cleaning, and you have another 12-volt DC plug-in just in there, so you're not lacking any power outlets at all. So that's going to be nice. This tucks away nicely, doubles as an armrest. And a little bit further in, one more thing to show you, you do have a lockable glove box there and all of the manuals that you're going to need. Nice big glove box so you can carry everything that you need with you and your family. Lots of really great things happening in the front of the Highlander. Why don't we head on back and take a look at cargo? Taking a look at the back of your Highlander now, lots going on back here as well. You do have your rear windshield wiper for that unpredictable Alberta weather. You also have your rear vision camera just here, as we had mentioned before. And I'm just going to open this up here for you so we can take a look at the cargo section. So taking a look, you do have quite a bit of room here with that third row in use. And then right under here, you have a little bit more storage along with your tools and jacks that you're going to need for your spare tire. You know, gosh forbid anything happened to you while you're on the road. But if it does, you do have those tools to get you back to safety. And you have that other little section there for some smaller items that you might want to carry with you. And I'm just going to put these seats down so you can see just how easy it is and how much room you have if you don't want to use that third row. So I'm just going to pull this up here. So I can do this with one hand and film at the same time. It's really nice and easy. No crazy buttons or anything like that. So lots and lots of cargo space. You can still fit 3 people in that middle seat comfortably. And once you're finished loading in all of your gear for your family, we'll close this up. We'll give you a nice view of the back of your Highlander. Giving you a final glimpse of your 2018 Toyota Highlander LE all-wheel drive. There's so much happening with this vehicle that I didn't get a chance to go through on this brief walk around, so come on in, take it for a test drive, ask all of the questions. We're here to help, see what kind of warranties are available to you. We're very easy to find. We're on the corner of 137th Avenue and St. Albert Trail. We're here at Toyota Northwest Edmonton. My name is Elisa. Thanks again for watching, and until we see you, drive safe.